Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your property fast. To begin, accurately pricing your home is paramount. Consider setting it slightly below market value to attract immediate interest. Next, focus on curb appeal. A well-maintained exterior, fresh landscaping, and a clean entrance can significantly enhance a buyer's first impression. Inside, declutter and depersonalize every room, allowing potential buyers to envision themselves living in the space without distractions. These initial steps are vital for a swift sale. Once your property is prepared, effective marketing becomes key. Invest in professional photography and consider a virtual tour to showcase your home's best features online. Utilize popular real estate websites and social media platforms to reach a broad audience. Hosting open houses and private showings allows interested buyers to experience the property firsthand. Ensure your agent highlights unique selling points, like a newly renovated kitchen or a spacious backyard, to generate maximum interest and secure offers quickly. When offers start coming in, be ready to negotiate. While you want the best price, flexibility on terms can often accelerate the sale. Working with an experienced real estate agent is invaluable here. They can guide you through counteroffers and ensure all legal aspects are handled correctly. Promptly address any inspection findings and ensure all necessary paperwork, from disclosures to closing documents, is accurate and complete. A smooth negotiation process is essential for a fast and successful closing. To recap, selling your property quickly hinges on a few critical elements. Strategic pricing, often around 2 to 5% below comparable homes, creates urgency. Impeccable presentation, both inside and out, captures buyer attention within the first 30 seconds. Finally, a proactive and flexible approach to marketing and negotiation, supported by a skilled agent, will significantly reduce your time on the market. By following these steps, you can achieve a rapid and profitable property sale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.